Find the greatest number that will exactly divide 840 and 2296. That means you have to find out the HCF of 840 and 2296. The greatest number is a divisor that will divide 840 and 2296 and remains nothing. That means the remainder is 0. And 840 and 2296 is the dividend. You know that HCF is called GCD, greatest common divisor. Then divide 840 2296. Find the HCF. This is the division method you are watching now. There is not enough page, so I am going to the next page. So here the HCF is 56, which is the last divisor. So 56 is the greatest number that will exactly divide 840 and 2296. Find the greatest number that will divide each of 90, 108, 126 without leaving a remainder. This is the same as before, the question number 1. Here you have to find out the highest common factor, in short HCF, of 90, 108 and 126. This highest common factor divides 90, 108 and 126 without leaving a remainder. This is also a process to find the greatest common divisor, HCF, by factorization. Here the HCF is 18. Find the smallest number that can be exactly divided by 72 and 108. The number which you have to find out is divisible by 72 and 108. That means the number is a multiple of 72 and a multiple of 108. So find out the least common multiple, that is LCM, of 72 and 108. I am using the factorization method of LCM. Find the smallest number of 5 digits that can be exactly divided by 60, 90 and 80. 60, 90 and 80 will divide the smallest number of 5 digits to what is the LCM. I am going with the division method, or you can say the factorized method of LCM. So here you have to keep your mind that at least two number is divisible by the factor, the prime factor. 30 and 40 is divisible by 2 but not the 45. Here the LCM is 720. But 720 is not a 5 digits number. Literally you have to reach to the smallest 5 digit number or the nearest 5 digit number. Then multiply 720 by something. One 0000 is the smallest 5 digit number. Divide it by 720 and you will have quotient like 13 and keeps a remainder 640. So when you multiply 720 with 13, you will get a number of 4 digit. So then go to the next number, 14. After multiplying by 14, you will get the nearest 5 digit number 10080. Or you can subtract the remainder of the previous page from 10000 and then add 720 one more time. The sum is 10080, which is the exactly as same as before. Find the greatest number of 3 digits that can be exactly divided by 75, 45 and 60. Number is divisible by, let us say, a multiple of 75, 45 and 60. So you have to find out the least common multiple, LCM, of 75, 45 and 60. I am going with the division method of LCM. The answer is 900 because it is a 3-digit number. If it was not a 3-digit number, then you have to multiply 900 by 2 or by 3 to get the 3-digit. The answer is 900. Find the greatest number that will divide 517 and 815, leaving the remainders 1 and 3 respectively. The greatest number that divides 517, keeping remainder 1, and divides 815, keeping remainders 3, minus the remainder from each case, you will get 516 and 812. Then find the HCF of 516 and 812, the highest common factor. Or the divisor. Following the division method of HCF, is to be in a single page. After finishing the division process, you can see the HCF is 4, the last factor. When you divide 517 by 4 and 815 by 4, you will have like remainder 1 and 3 respectively.